To remove a card from Shopify, start by logging into your Shopify account and navigating to the checkout settings. In the checkout settings, click on the Payment Providers tab and then select the credit card option. Next, scroll down to the Accepted Credit Cards section and click on the Edit button. This will allow you to modify the list of accepted credit cards. To remove a card, simply uncheck the box next to the card type you want to remove. For example, if you want to remove American Express, uncheck the box next to American Express. After making your changes, be sure to click the Save button to apply them to your store. It is also a good idea to test your checkout process after making changes to ensure that everything is working as expected. It is also important to note that removing a card type may affect your customer's ability to complete a purchase, so be sure to consider this before making any changes. Additionally, if you are using a third-party payment gateway, you may need to make changes to your gateway settings as well. By following these steps, you can easily remove a card from Shopify and modify your checkout settings to meet your business needs. Remember to always test your changes and consider the potential impact on your customers before making any modifications to your checkout settings.